Good morning students, welcome to all in online classes of social science. In previous class, you learned what is family and how many types of family and its detail. In this class, today I am going to start chapter 1, that is importance of family. Let's proceed ahead.
Family is the greatest gift of nature. Clear? Family is the greatest gift of nature. It is the first learning place. Why it is called the first learning place? It is because the child learns everything by watching and imitating the family members. Understood? Family is the first learning place because the child learns everything by watching and imitating the family members. It may be how to speak, how to walk, how to behave, and many more. To live with family members, child also learn to how to overcome challenges. Clear? To live with family members, child also learn to how to come over challenges, how to solve problems in a smart way, and how to take a smart decision. And in the family, it is important that the grown-up members like Papa, Mummy, grandparents practice the value and action that they want their children to learn. Clear? The interaction among the family members develop close bond of love and affection. Now, we will discuss about the family system. We have already discussed that man is called social animal. So, all human beings live in groups. Family is the most important groups. First, we will know what is family system. The family system theory states that a family functions as a system where each members play a specific role and must follow certain rules based on the role within the systems. Clear? The family systems theory states a family functions as a system where each members play a specific role and must follow certain rules based on the rules within the system. And the family system works like a chain. Clear? In this chain, the elders help the child to grow up into a good human being. In turn, the children provide supports to elders in time of need. Clear? They also follow the family values and traditions. Mutual affections, love, trust, and sharing of responsibilities strengthen the relationship in a family. Which makes the strengthen in relationship in a family? Mutual affection, love, trust, and sharing of responsibilities. Clear? We will discuss importance of family tradition. Family tradition believes on the way of doing traditions. They are the activities that occur regularly and hold special meaning for that family. They are an excellent way of teaching values like respect for our elders, caring and sharing, helping others, and passing the family heritage to the future generation. Like every year on Vaisakhi, some families visit the Gurudwara and have langar. What is langar? What is langar? It is a community feast. The elders sit and listen to kirtan while the children help at langar, cleaning the compounds and organizing visitors in proper queues for darshan. Now we will discuss another importance of family that we learn care and appreciation. The care and appreciation for one another are the real strength of a family. It is very important that the family members spend time together. It builds strong bonds among family members. The interaction gives them opportunities to remain in close contact, develop harmony and understanding. The parents and grandparents take care of the children with a lot of love and patience. Similarly, the children also look after the elders. Every member of the family has different responsibilities. These responsibilities must be shared and the wishes of others must be respected. So, students, in this class, you learn that the family is the greatest gift of nature. After that, you learned important points. It is the first learning place because the child learns everything by watching and imitating the family members. After that, you knew to live with family members. Child also learned to how to overcome challenges, solve problems, and to take smart decisions. After that, you learned that it is important that the grown-up members practice the value and actions that they want their children to learn. Now, you learn action among the family members, develop close bond of love and affection that continue throughout life. The works like a chain. In this chain, the elders help the child to grow up into a good human beings, and in turn, the children provide support to elders in time of need. After that, you learn mutual affection, love, trust, and sharing of responsibilities strengthen the relationship in a family. After that, you learn every family follows certain customs and traditions, and they are an excellent way of teaching values like respect for our elders, caring and sharing, helping others. After that, we learned that the care and appreciation for one another are the real strength of a family. The parents and grandparents take care of children with a lot of love and patience, and remain of the part of this chapter we will discuss in next class. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.